Let's learn about common symptoms, ailments, and injuries. Headache. This is a headache. It's when you feel pain in your head. Earache. An earache is pain inside the ear. It can happen if you have an infection. Toothache. A toothache is pain in or around a tooth. You might need to see a dentist for this. Stomachache. A stomachache is pain in the belly area, usually caused by something you ate or a virus. Backache. A backache is pain in the lower or upper back, often caused by lifting something heavy. Chills. Chills make you feel cold, and they often come with a fever. Sore throat. A sore throat is when it hurts to swallow or talk, usually because of a cold. Cough. A cough is your body's way of clearing your throat or lungs. Runny nose. A runny nose means your nose is producing extra mucus, often because of a cold. Sneeze. Sneezing happens when something irritates your nose. It's how your body clears it out. Faint. Fainting is when you lose consciousness for a short time. Fever. A fever is when your body temperature is higher than normal, often because of an illness. Virus. A virus can make you sick. It can cause symptoms like fever and a runny nose. Chest pain. Chest pain can feel tight or sharp and might need immediate attention. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath means it's hard to breathe or you feel out of breath. Hiccup. Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. Rash. A rash is a change in the skin, often red or itchy. Burp. Burping is when air escapes from your stomach through your mouth. Nauseous. Feeling nauseous means you feel like you might vomit. Vomit. Vomiting is when you throw up, often because you're sick. Burn. A burn happens when your skin is damaged by something hot, like fire or boiling water. Swollen. Swelling happens when part of your body becomes larger than normal due to injury or infection. Bleed. Bleeding is when blood comes out of the body due to an injury. Bruise. A bruise is when your skin turns blue or purple after getting hit. Broken arm. A broken arm is when the bone in your arm cracks or breaks. Bloody nose. A bloody nose happens when blood comes out of your nose, usually from an injury. Sunburn. Sunburn is when your skin turns red and painful after being in the sun for too long. Now you're ready to describe common symptoms and injuries in English. Stay healthy, and if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more lessons.